Hey guys, this is Rashid from Tech Savvy Zone. Today we have LED ring light from Osaka. I picked this up from Amazon for 1600 rupees guys, and the main purpose for me to get this product is to improve the lighting condition for my video shoot, but you can use this for photography as well. If you take a closer look at the product, we have color temperature of 3400 to 5600 Kelvin here. Turning it to the back side, this is the current model that we have right now, which consumes a power of 15 watt, and this can be powered by your power bank as well. And this brand has another model, RL25, where you get a built-in battery guys. So let's quickly unbox this and see how this product performs. Closer look at the product guys. In the box we have the light itself with the with several buttons to adjust the brightness of the light, and you can change the color temperature as well using these buttons, power on and off button. And then we have USB powered cable which you can connect it to your power bank, or if you have the adapter you can connect it to the adapter as well. And we have 3 brackets here, starting with the bracket for the light itself. So this connects to the stand that has been provided, and then followed by 2 brackets for your mobile phone guys. You can mount it vertically or you can mount it horizontally also. Let's quickly connect these brackets and see how this product functions. Is very sturdy, and it is very heavy also guys. Without the extension, the height of this stand is 2 feet, and it can go up to a maximum of 6 feet with adjustable length guys. As you can see here, we have 2 adjustable ways here, which is one, and this as well guys. There you go guys, we have connected the light to the stand that has been provided, and I have set it to my normal height, and you can extend it further also guys. Let's power on the device. There you go guys, this is how the light looks, and you can change the color temperature by using the button here guys. So this model has natural white light and the warm light, and you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness depending on your requirement guys. Now let's take a look at the sample shot guys. So my initial impression of this product is definitely good. It does enhance the lighting condition of the room, and if you happen to use this LED light along with other lights in the room, it is definitely good, and it also enhances the clarity of the subject that you are trying to focus on. And I would definitely recommend this if you want to record your videos, and as well as for photography also guys. Hope you like this video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment with your feedback guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.